New test, new program, testing button interface for doorbell, door open, and door sensor. Also showing when doorbell wake music is running. Doorbell wake music, doorbell, manual unlock, door open sensor. So we'll press the door open button first. Door opens, and pull this away. As long as this part isn't close enough to that, the reed switch won't activate and door will stay unlocked. I'm going to put it back about 2 to 3 seconds later. Locks back. So hit doorbell. The light goes on. It says ding dong. If I want to answer it, okay, have to hold down a little bit longer for that. I didn't pull that away, so it just stayed open for a few seconds and then closed back up. And this will take a while, but press this, it'll time out after 30 seconds saying that the doorbell was ignored. Doorbell hold music is on. I'll just wait here. Actually, and keep an eye on that LED. And it says ignored. Next step is to integrate the web interface and also put in a relay for the doorbell sensor and forced opening. But yeah, coming together.